the richest item on the menu, a North End sandwich shop selling a $3,000 burger. And it's not the cut of the meat you're paying for, it's the cut of the bling that comes with it. A cheesy proposal? Perhaps.
But as Ken MacLeod shows us, it's also a whopper of a way to ask, will you marry me?
They were cutting and cooking tonight at Paulie's in the North End.
I've been working behind the counter with my uncle, my father, my grandfather since I was about 5 years old.
Indeed, owner Paul Barker is a third-generation sandwich savant whose staff specializes in creative upscale offerings.
Crazy, but good.
Things like the Jamaican Me Crazy, the Fat Felix, and the Politician.
I think it's in my DNA.
But if you bring your significant other here on Valentine's Day, you might be interested in buying them the Big Boy Burger for $3,000. That's right, $3 grand. But the engagement ring is free.
This time we thought we'd go inside the box.
With 48 hours notice to make a jewelry store run, Paulie's will plant that sparkling carrot squarely on your partner's buns.
It's the Big Boy Burger proposal. Nothing says I love you like a ring with barbecue sauce dripping down your arm, right?
With just a week before the big day, Paul is hoping the combo of ice and bacon will entice a handful of sandwich shop romantics to hop on board.
No confirmed orders, but there's a couple of very interested people.
Just think, even if your honey's answer is no, they'll still get a really good burger.
I mean, who doesn't love food?
In the North End, Ken MacLeod, WBZ News.
It's a good idea.
Right? You know, maybe now that's piqued some interest.
It's a good idea until in the review she preferred the onion rings.
Oh, well,
over the ring
it looks like she gets those too.
She gets both.
So, you know, that's a good deal.
Perfect.
Warms your heart, right?
Let's talk about